So this is a video to show you how to use Sharepoint. What you need to do is you need to go to your Internet Explorer and open up your Internet Explorer browser. It won't show you this page, but if you log on to www.filton.ac.uk, that will take you to, if you put 3 W's in there, that will take you to the South Gloucestershire and Stroud College website, which obviously is what we use. And then on the top right hand side of the screen there's a services button, so if you press that with the cog, and you can see a variety of different things that you can access. Staff email is explained in another video. SharePoint intranet is what we're actually after, but there are some other bits and pieces in there which you probably don't necessarily need to use at this point in time. So you click on SharePoint intranet and it will show you this next screen. Importantly, you need to be aware that you need to type in universe / and then your surname and first initial. So this is Mark Rudman who's filled this one in, and then your password into the box further down. So you scroll down, click on to launch SharePoint and type in those details. Now, because I'm filming this from work, once I click on this button it'll actually take me automatically there. You won't, you'll have to click in universe in capitals / surname and then your password. So it then comes up with this staff portal, which is Filton College. A variety of different things here. Quick links allows you to go down to things like BKSB, which is our literacy and numeracy. It allows you to go on Columbus, which is only accessible inside Filton College itself. But you also might want to click on here for your Microsoft Outlook web access, and I'll show you that in another video to get onto that another way. If you scroll across to curriculum, you'll see that ACE is at the top. Hover over that and then click on ACE collaboration, and that will bring up the SharePoint ACE site that we use. Key areas for you to be aware of on here are ACE 2011, and again if you click on that you'll see a whole load of documents that are generic across all the ACE courses. So some stuff on fitness and physical development, communication ES7, some career stuff which is ES6, and also part of lifestyle ES5, as Ivan correctly pointed out on Tuesday, and so on and so forth. Some useful forms are under P, so things like the assessment form, the evaluation form and performance action plans are there, and you can go back by clicking on the tabs at the top there. So that's one useful site. The other useful site would be the work-based learning documents, and again you can see some stuff here to do with progress reviews, for example. So the progress review ongoing would be the Word document about doing progress reviews. If you go back to work-based learning documents again, visits to partners, show you the monthly reconciliations, visit procedures, checklist and various quality audit checklists that we use. There's also a section for logos and images, so a variety of different logos and images that you might want to use there. So for boxing we've got it set up for any of the other college logos. I think most of you are on there. And then the other useful site to go on to is the ACE boxing site. And again you can see there it's split into the 9 different units, 9 different areas that we look at: technical, tactical, physical, mental, lifestyle, career, communication, health and safety and nutrition. And there's also some training sessions, so I'll put all the documents related to the training we've done. In fact, if I click on that one you'll see that the recent one isn't there at the moment. If we go back to ACE Boxing and we go to Marketing Tools, you'll see that there's a presentation from Crawley which has been put on by Adam, and you'll also see things like the information evening flyer that I put together for use for info evening here at Filton. And if you double click on that, that allows you to open a PowerPoint document, which sometimes takes a little while for it to load up, and then there's the PowerPoint. In order to use that effectively, please don't edit presentation, but if you go up to the top and if you go File, Save As PowerPoint, and then save it to somewhere like in your desktop then save it. Then you can do anything you want with it and save it as a document for your own use. If you then wish to upload that document, you can go to the various upload tabs and click on upload and either upload a single document or upload multiple documents. If in doubt and you're not really sure where something ought to go, click on temporary documents, and then that's where you can upload. So in actual fact, here is the ACE training PowerPoint that we used on Monday, and also a list of the mnemonics that we covered in the inaugural session on Monday. So that, in brief, is how you use the SharePoint site. Again, if you've got any questions about that one, either ring me or text me rather than email me. I won't respond as quickly if it's an email, but I can talk you through that process and we can do it step by step.